Okay, so I am going to show you how to create a post for Craigslist. So the first thing we need to do is to get onto Craigslist. So I'm going to go over here to Craigslist, and I'm going to go into my account, log in. Oh, let me log out and then log back in again so that you can see how that's going to work. So here I come to email handle. In fact, I don't need to go through that because and now let's take a look at creating a new posting. So let's imagine that we're going to put a new post in. Oh, flagged. Oh no, they're not flagged, those are expired. Okay, I was worried about them being deleted. Alright, so let's post a new ad in the San Francisco Bay Area. And we are going to have that be something for sale. And then it's going to be furniture, although I suppose you might, if something looks like it ought to be antiques, then throw it under antiques. You can tell, but let's say furniture by dealer. We're going to put it in the East Bay Area. And within the East Bay Area, we're going to choose Richmond Point Annex. Okay, now here comes the posting title. For the posting title, we're going to use the item number that we put in and then whatever your description is going to be. So let's go back to Picasa Web Albums and find that. So I'm going to log into Picasa Web Albums. Actually, I don't need to do that. I can go up here and type PicasaAlbums.com. What did I get wrong? Is it PicasaWeb.com? Might be PicasaWeb.com. That's probably it. Okay, and there's the Bridge Consignment Public Gallery, and we were going to redo the one that you did for this sideboard. So I'm going to click into the sideboard. Now notice I'm not getting anything here, but I'm going to click into the sideboard, and there's the full-size picture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on that picture, and I'm going to copy the image location. Okay. Now, by right-clicking and clicking Copy Image Location, I just picked up the URL for that image. And now I can go here to my Windows Live Writer and insert a picture. Let's make a new post. Okay. Now I'm going to insert a picture. And I'm going to insert it from the web in Windows Live Writer, and now I'm going to go Control Paste, or right click and paste, and there's my picture. That is very cool. Okay, let's keep the picture looking good, and then any text wrapping that you're going to have, let's put the picture on the left, and we'll write some, here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now at this point is I'm going to bring up the very cool thing that you had before. So let me go back to bridgeconsignment@gmail.com, and that was actually this incredibly unique. Which one was it? It was not the wicker and armchair. It was the side. Oh, but you called it. You actually, okay, I remember what happened. So you thought it was a wicker and armchair, but in fact it's a fantastic hand-painted sideboard. So don't let this one get away. It's just beautiful. Bridge storage is open 7 days a week. I'm going to go Control C, copy that into copy, and I'm going to go back to Windows Live Writer. I'm going to paste it right in here. So I'm going to paste it. This is a fantastic hand-painted sideboard. It's made out of a light wood with accenting hand paintings throughout. Offers felt line drawers. This piece can also be used as a serving table in your dining area. Don't let this one get away. It's just beautiful. Bridge storage is open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And now I'm going to put a link in here. So I'm going to say Bridge. Actually, for more great deals, go to www.bridge. Let's make this capitalized. bridgeconsignment.com. And we'll go ahead and put that. Oh, it already linked it, so that's good. All right, now here's the good news. I'm not going to bother putting the post title in this thing because it's not going to show up. What I'm going to do is look at the source code for this, and now I can just go ahead and copy this whole HTML code, Control C, let's go copy, and now I'm going to go back to my Craigslist posting. Go to my Craigslist account and post a new ad in the Bay Area. So this is the part you have to go through every time. Furniture by dealer, East Bay, Richmond Point Annex. Okay, and now here I'm going to go Control Paste, and there's everything that Craigslist is going to need. Okay. Posting title is all right. Now I'm going to put in the item number, which is IR16. Beautiful hand painted, sideboard. Okay, the price is $250, I think, for that thing, wasn't it? Let's check that. It's over here. Oh, it's $500. Okay, so let's get that right. So back here, price is $500. And since this is an IR, then we're not going to reduce that price. I'm trying to talk my people into letting the automatic discount happen for those. But anyway, that's where we are right now. Now I'm going to go. I don't need to add or edit images because I've already got the image in the picture. It's right here. Okay, so I don't need that. I'll just continue. And there's a picture of it. Okay. And so it looks like I've got too many line returns here. I guess Craigslist didn't like that stuff over to the side. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go back to edit, and I'm going to pull out some of the carriage returns that were down in there. It's these guys. Okay. So I'm going to edit those out. Now let's see how that looks. Much better. Okay, it's not totally pretty, but as time goes on, we'll get prettier. And so now all I have to do is beautiful hand-painted sideboard, $500, made out of a light wood with accented hand paintings. Offers felt line drawers. It's beautiful. Nice text, and that's good. So we're going to click continue, and I'm going to put in my CAPTCHA. Piggy, God, what is that? I have no idea. IN, maybe? Let's see. Probably not going to take it. Oh, all right, it worked. Now if I go back to Bridge Consignment, I will see this IR16 beautiful hand-painted sideboard, and it's there. Okay. Now the only thing that has to happen now, the very last thing that has to happen now, is to go to the link that I set up. And what was that link? To go ahead and enter the fact that you put this in. So what we need here is this thing right there. That's the active posting, so that I can see the active posting. No, that's actually not how I want to do that. We're gonna go back to the list. No, I guess it was that active posting. Okay, so we're going to keep this thing right here. I'm going to copy that. Control copy. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the bridge consignment, or the bridge storage. Bridge storage .com, and we had that Craigslist consignment posting activity. There it is. So you can have this as the last thing that you need to put in there. And let's say this is Jen doing this. Item number being posted was IR16. I want to see that. And then the link to the Craigslist ad, which I saved from before, I'm going to go paste. So now I can submit that, and now I will be able to go back and look at my spreadsheet